As you can see, this is a digital product website and this is an e-commerce website, and I made this using a web designing tool called WordPress, which requires no coding knowledge at all. I will drop the link of this website down below in the description so that you can view it. And the most interesting fact is I have spent $0 in making these websites. I mean, free domain, free hosting, free designing, everything is free of cost. So in this video we will only cover the domain and hosting setup, okay, and later down the line we will cover the designing part. So let's get started. So go to Google and search for Pantheon. This is the website. Then click on get started. Okay, since I've already signed up using Google account, so it will not ask me for like that again. You need to first sign up, then you will be redirected to this main page. Then click on create new site. Choose WordPress. This is the tool which is gonna help us design everything, and this is convenient for beginners. So site title is basically your brand or company name that we're going to use. I have just recently used EduCard. Okay, so I could write here EduCard, and you can change it later on. Okay, username and password are the most crucial thing, as these two things will be required to log into your WordPress dashboard where you can make changes to your website. So anyone with this username and password can access to your website and make changes. Okay, so just for now I will use the weakest password since I'm not going to publish it in the public. Okay, I'm not making this for any client or anything. Okay, just for practice purposes. But just remember, you have to set it up strong. And the reason behind this, I'm using the weakest because we ourselves have to log into the WordPress dashboard many a time, and it's kind of frustrating to always type the longest password that you have created. Okay, so we can change it later on when we have just readily made up the website. Okay, so here you can just choose an email and then click on install WordPress. As you can see here, we have successfully set up. So click on login, then just type the username and password you just set it now, and click on remember me, then login. Now we have successfully installed this thing. Okay, now we have successfully hosted our website, we have successfully set up our domain, hosting and everything. Okay, and you can see this is free of cost. Okay, if you want to see your site, you can go here and then click on visit site. Okay, I will show you. This is your website. Now it is live on the internet, as you can see. Okay, I know it's not looking good because this is the default website. Okay, but in the next videos I will show you how to design all these things, all these buttons, okay, options. I will explain everything. Okay, so see you in the next video.